The information presented is for informational purposes only. The opinions expressed are not necessarily the opinions of any Daikin company. This information should not be confused for accounting, legal, medical, or other professional advice. Please seek advice from a qualified professional for any specific questions.
It's actually a very safe refrigerant.
Daikin wants to be involved in the community.
Making another touch point to build my brand.
So the first question we ask everyone is, welcome to the Accelerated HVAC Success program. My name is Ben Middleton. I'm the National Sales Training Manager for the Goodman, Amana, and Daikin brands. Today I'm joined here with Connie Schroder. She is our Director of Ductless Product, right?
That's right.
Connie, thank you so much for joining us.
For sure.
So the first question I ask everyone is, how in the world did you get into the HVAC industry?
That's such a fun question. For it to be your first question is perfect. So there was a colleague that I worked with that said, you don't find HVAC, it finds you, which is absolutely true for me as well. I actually, after college, I joined the oil and gas industry, spent 10 years there. It's very up and down. It's very volatile. It's a great industry. There's a lot of great people, and they do really cool stuff technology-wise. But it's a tough industry. So my husband's also in oil and gas, and I was caught in a riff. I got laid off shortly after we got married, and it was like, you know what? This is probably a little bit too much for both of us to be in this industry. So I was in product management, which is very easy to get into something different when you have that role. So I just got looking for jobs. I was just product management, I was applying for it. And it was around that time when Daikin was opening up the DTTP facility and growing, and there were jobs. And so I applied the old-fashioned way, submitted my resume on the website, and here I am. I've been here for 8.5 years, and I absolutely love it.
So I got to ask you then, what is it that you absolutely love about Ductless Product?
So what's great about Ductless is before coming to Daikin, I didn't think much about heating and cooling beyond the thermostat on the wall at my house. I mean, that's the only relationship I had with it. And then you get into Ductless and realize this is advanced stuff. This is really cool technology.
Yeah.
It serves a purpose, and in my mind, it's the only product that we should have in our homes and businesses, and just the technology is fascinating. I'm an engineer by degree, so I at least can understand the basics of the refrigeration cycle and heat transfer and all that fun stuff, but this is a whole new level of that science, if you will, being put into heating and cooling equipment.
Yeah, it really is fun, and it's versatile.
It is. It can go so many places. You can use it for so many things that it's really fun to think about. The possibilities are endless with Ductless.
So I'm thinking about some of the cool things that you guys have done recently. The 115 volt unit is a big game changer. That's
Absolutely.
A lot of fun, and so opens up a lot more applications and possibilities with that.
Yeah.
How are you seeing contractors utilize that particular product out in the marketplace?
Yeah, so we've definitely had a lot of good reactions to it in the marketplace, and really the intent with the Oterra 115 volt was we're trying to get more contractors using Ductless. There's a hesitancy, of course. It's new, it's different. We're used to, cube, single-stage, central systems.
Yeah.
And we recognize that if we're going to grow Ductless, we've got to help appeal to those contractors. And so easier installation with the 115 volt electrical connection, the Signa flareless adapters. It's all just to make it a little bit easier for contractors to give it a try. Use it in addition to that central AC that they're swapping out at someone's house to do some spot cooling and heating and watch your tickets grow and close deals and grow your business. So that's a lot of it.
So are you getting those stories from contractors where they're telling you, hey, this has been a game changer, this is actually saving us? Because I think overall this year, it's been tough for a lot of contractors.
Absolutely. I would say one of the interesting things when you launch a new product or that you're trying to target differently, it takes time.
Absolutely.
So I think we're still in the early stages of really seeing the fruits of this product get out there. Feedback has been positive. When we're talking to contractors about it, they're definitely very interested in it. They see the value. And so hopefully our sales team can come and close that and make that sale and just get them going. And I think once they're doing it, they'll catch on pretty quick.
Now, I think you launched your very first R-32 product back in, was it 2019?
2021.
2021,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Not quite 2019,
Right,
but
yeah.
but still, I mean, that's 4 years ago
Yeah.
that you launched that product.
Yeah.
Can you tell me how was that received in the market as it went out? And how has the transition with R-32 gone as you continue to roll that out with our ductless line?
Sure, yeah. So when Atmosphera came out, very well received. It was the first product with R-32 for Daikin, for North America, and for the contractors that are, more on that leading edge of wanting the latest and greatest, they loved it. And we were able to sell it into some very strong ductless markets, and so it caught on perfectly in Washington, Maine. These are big ductless states. And from there, it really has grown and helped us speak to R-32 and all the value that brings. So it's been good now. We've been transitioning the rest of the lineup. We're not all the way there. We kind of had to split it in two, and so half of the lineup came out last year, and the rest is hitting pretty much right now, which is exciting to finally have the products to complement that first system and get out there.
So speaking of that, tell me, what do we have on the horizon for ductless? What is happening there?
Yeah, so really the big stuff that's out is all of our multi-zone platform is pretty much out now. We launched some of the models in 2024. The rest of our condensing units came out, mainly our Aurora cold climate models are what came a little bit later. And open arms, people were so glad to see them hit the lineup. We've got wall mounts with built-in Wi-Fi. We've got the ducted concealed units for concealed applications. We've got a brand new floor mount design that looks amazing. It's really stylish and updated. And we brought it out in 2 colors.
Yes, that's really cool.
Yeah, we recognize, ductless is in the space with people. So we have to be very mindful of aesthetics, giving homeowners and customers options of colors, because it's important that it looks good in the room.
And you
with
came
them.
up with some cool names for the colors, right?
Yeah, we've got white and espresso. That was a fun, it's amazing how difficult it is to decide what color is this exactly.
Yes. But it's fun, and as soon as I heard that, I thought, you know what? I'm seeing a lot of furniture that's named espresso.
Absolutely.
You see that in a lot of design that people are doing, interior design, and so I think it really just ties into with what everybody's doing right now.
Absolutely, yeah, it was fun. Once we kind of got on that coffee train, it was mocha and latte and espresso, and we were trying to carve out which one it is. But it's a great unit.
So what other cool things do you guys have coming out as we come in? We're rolling right into 2026.
Yeah.
What are some cool things that you can talk about or that you can tell us that's coming?
Absolutely. So one of the big things that we've been developing that we didn't have with 410A is a air handler unit that can connect to our multi-zones. It's a game changer, and really it just opens up or further expands the applications for our multi-zones to do whole home heating and cooling or larger space heating and cooling. So now if you consider, there's lots of houses out there that don't have really central AC to start with. They might have boiler heating, radiators, electric strip heating for heating, but no AC. And now you could go and throw one of these air handlers in their basement, replace the boiler system, treat one entire floor with a ducted central style solution, and then in your upstairs rooms or wherever, start doing wall mounts, floor mounts for true zoning and tackle an entire space. So it just, again, it opens up the possibilities for where you can take a ductless solution, a mini split, to really just appeal to more places and do more with electrification and decarbonization.
Well, we are here at the Daikin Control Summit right now, and we're talking here. I'd be remiss if I didn't ask you.
Sure.
You talk about all of this great flexibility, and you think of all of these ductless components coming together to really make a system.
Yes.
How is Daikin's control strategy really helping with that for a homeowner and for the contractor?
Absolutely. Really, if we think about our Daikin One platform of controls and then the new Skyport family, that's what's bringing it all together. So, if we think about that multi-zone system I talked about, you've got air handlers, wall mounts, floor mounts. The air handler will have a thermostat that, runs Daikin One and on the Skyport Home app. The indoor units, the wall mounts and floor mounts all have built-in Wi-Fi to run on the Skyport Home app, and so now you've got everything in your home. You're capable of working together. Or let's say you put in one of our fit systems, same thing. It's using that one stat and the Skyport Home. Throw your ductless unit on the garage with the Skyport Home app, and you can control, no matter what the platform is, you've got control of it, which is just huge.
That is really cool. I mean, it just, again, you're building a whole system.
Absolutely.
It's not all of these individual components.
Correct.
Everything works together, and it's all in one platform to make it simple and easy.
And that's really the strength of Daikin, because we have all of these equipment categories that we work with, and then being able to bring it all together with controls, that's what sets us apart from a lot of the other brands out there.
Well, Connie, the last question I ask everyone is, do you have any final words of wisdom or thoughts that you want to share with our contractors?
This is such a great product category. I love it. If you haven't tried ductless, think about it. It's a great product. It's going to solve a lot of people's comfort problems. You can grow your business with it, and just get comfortable with it. We've got install courses to help you out, get you that comfort level. And if you're already doing ductless, just think about all the other places that you can go with it, and hopefully excited about what we have coming out with all the new technologies and controls and everything that comes along with it, to be able to keep using it and rocking and rolling with it.
Well, thank you so much, Connie. And for all of you that are out there, if you like this episode, please go ahead and hit that like button. Also, if you're not already subscribed, please make sure you subscribe so that you can make sure that you're informed of all of our upcoming episodes. Until next time.
It's actually a very safe refrigerant.
Daikin wants to be involved in the community.
Making another touch point to build my brand.
So the first question we ask everyone is,